In this video, I'll be showing you 3 easy peach colored nail designs that don't require any fancy nail art tools. First up is this peachy marble-esque design. I started with 1 coat of a very pale peachy color, and before that dried, I added dots of a darker peach shade all over the nail. I used the brush of the polish to mix the colors around and swirl them for a marble effect. Working quickly, I grabbed a neon peach polish and added that in. If you feel like you lost some of the lightness from the first light peach color, you can always add some more. You just gotta work it around until you're happy with the marbling. But be sure to wipe off the brushes of the polish before putting them back into their bottles so you don't mess up the color. Finish with a top coat and that's it. Next, we're mixing metallic into the peach with this geometric design. Again, I'm starting with that light peach color, but this time I'm going to do 2 coats and let it dry. I'm using some liquid latex to make cleanup easier, but if you don't have this, you can just try being a little more careful, or you can always clean up any mess you make with a Q-tip after. Using that neon peach shade, I painted a diagonal section on the top part of my nail. I tried to keep it as straight as possible by using the side of the brush to guide me. Then using a metallic gold polish, I added another diagonal block on the bottom corner of my nail. You might need a couple coats of each polish to get them completely opaque. Then remove the liquid latex or clean up with a Q-tip and apply top coat. I'm using a matte top coat because I really like the finish it gives with the contrasting peach and metallic, but feel free to use a shiny top coat if you prefer. And the last design is a subtle sparkly look using Flaky Glitters. I'm starting with that light peach color again, and I'm applying 2 coats of that. But before the second coat fully dries, I'll be using some iridescent flaky glitters, and I'm using my finger to just dab those into the tacky polish. I placed them first, and then once the polish dried a little more, I smoothed them down and brushed away the excess. To keep the duochrome finish of the flakies, I first applied a water-based top coat or a foil top coat, and I let that completely dry, and then I finished with a regular top coat. My camera isn't quite picking up how cool this combo looks, but it's especially stunning in direct sunlight, yet still subtle and wearable. If you give any of these looks a try, be sure to share a picture with me on my social medias. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see another color-themed video, go ahead and leave me a comment below. For more videos like this, you can just click on your screen here.